Good morning, class 9. Now, this is the third part of history, chapter number third. Our today's topic is hyperinflation in Germany. Germany printed paper currency abundantly. It resulted in a sharp fall of the value of German mark, due to which prices of goods increased. This crisis came to be known as hyperinflation in Germany. At last, already this topic I have described in last video. At last, the Americans introduced the Dawes plan. It helped Germany to overcome the crisis. The plan revoked the mm, term of reparation to ease the financial burden on Germans. Thereafter, the years of depression. The Great Economic Depression after the First World War caused sharp fall in demand of essential goods. Farmers, traders and industrialists were severely affected by this crisis. Even America could not escape from this crisis. The Wall Street Exchange crashed in 1929. Over the next 3 years, that is between 1929 and 1932, the national income of USA fell by half. The effect of this recession in the US economy were felt all over the world. The German economy was severely hit by the economic crisis. By 1932, industrial production was reduced to 40% of the 1929 level. The main effect of recession on Germany were: the first one, workers lost their jobs or their wages were reduced. The means many workers lost their jobs, and those who were working, their wages were reduced. The number of unemployed people increased to 6 million. Means the rate of unemployment will be 6 million. On the street of Germany, men started moving with placard around their necks saying, "Willing to do my work." Unemployed youths played cards or simply sat at street corners or desperately queued up at the local employment exchanges. As job disappeared, the youth took to criminal activities and total despair became common. The economic crisis created deep anxieties and fears in the people. The middle classes, especially salaried employees and pensioners, saw their savings diminish when the currency lost its value. Every member of the society was affected by this economic crisis and was filled with the fear of pro- proletarianism. Instability of Weimar Republic. The Weimar Constitution had some internal defects. which made it unstable and vulnerable to dictatorship. Due to proportional representation, it was impossible to get a majority for one single party. Moreover, Article 48 gave the president the power to impose emergency, suspend civil rights, and rule by decree. The Weimar Republic faced 20 different cabinets in 14 years, each lasting an average to 39 days, and people lost confidence in the democratic parliamentary system, which hardly offered by solutions. After that, the rise of Hitler to power we will discuss tomorrow next video. Thank you.